Hi, Bhavna.
Hi, hi,
How
hi.
are you?
Oh, it's so nice to see you live.
Same. Same. It's very nice to see you too.
So good to see you.
Uh,
You are such an inspiration. आपने हम सबको इतना इंस्पायर और मोटिवेट किया है. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So, how much weight have you lost, Bhavna?
7.1. I don't know what the miscalculation is, but I feel I've lost 7.6, but they are
Uh,
saying 7.1. But
because you're
still,
very
it's okay.
particular with what you upload and everything. But ठीक
हाँ.
है, anyway, it is a very good weight loss in 6 weeks.
Yes, yes, very good. I
Uh,
mean, your team was always available for us. That's the biggest plus point, I would say. Though,
uh,
matlab, see, any diet plan, what we expect is someone is pushing us all the time, someone is motivating us. So somewhere this prize money was a motivation, and they being available all the time was a plus point because I had a lot of issues initially. मुझे बहुत constipation, gut issues आ रहे थे, and Rupam was always there to guide me. So I think that's why I was on track all the time.
Right. I have a few questions for you जो कि हमारे members से आए, हमारी team members से भी आए और हमारे जो लोग weight loss करना चाहते हैं. So I'm going to ask you these questions. So first, tell us who you
Okay.
are and what made you decide that it was time to change.
Okay, I am a homemaker. In recent past, only I've started my own small business. And this weight loss, I've always been on the healthier side. I mean, I from when I am in my complete senses, I don't remember me being thin. So I really don't still imagine myself being thin, to be very frank, because always I've been above 60 only from when I've known myself. So मेरे लिए thin is below 60 because always people used to call me healthy only. So when now for the weight I am, I imagine that अगर वो मोटी थी तो अब मैं क्या हूँ? Always I had that thing in mind, and my health was deteriorating. I could see that I'm always low on energy. I'm like a couch potato. I don't feel like doing things. Always craving for food. I mean, there was no mindfulness. But after a certain point, like taking care of your kids, I can see that mood change in me because I'm always tired. I'm always irritated. I'm showing it on my children. So all that. So I wanted to fix it. It took a lot of mental strength for me to come to this decision that no, now ab bas ho gaya, ab karna hi padega. So that's
And
the
what weight did you start at and now what is your weight?
84 I started, and now I'm at 76.
Wow, that's amazing. So you're on your way, like right on track, on your
Yes,
way to
yes,
achieve
yes,
what you want to achieve, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So what was the biggest struggle before joining the Speeds and Challenge, physically, emotionally, and mentally? सबसे ज़्यादा आपको क्या struggle लगा? मतलब before you joined the
One
challenge.
is what to eat. Though I felt I was on a diet even before starting this diet,
Hmm.
and still I could not see there is a change in the scale on my energy levels. There was change in nothing. So that is was my biggest struggle. Emotionally, I just told you that I'm always this cranky, always stressed out person, and it is shown on my face also. There is so much change in my face and the glow that I'm getting because of this following this kind of diet properly. So one was emotional, mentally, and one more was
Mentally also. Yeah. So emotionally, mentally same. तो आपको अभी change लगता है now that you've lost weight?
very much, very much.
हाँ.
Physically, that I'm able to see, obviously, there is a lot of inch loss, there is glow on my skin. So if I keep working better, I think even there will be a change in my hair also. I can see changes slowly, but I'm still there on point. So that's there. But what was I to say? I'm just blank. क्या बोला था भूल गई.
Emotionally, you said you were getting so angry at your children.
Very much. So that is pretty stable now. I won't say I've completely changed.
Hmm.
But yeah, I think food and the sugar that you take, I am totally off sugar now. So all that gives you a mental clarity for sure. This kind of thing where I'm always forgetful. Too much of forgetfulness I had postpartum after my second baby. Too much of forgetfulness. So there is a very slight change, but yes, I can see changes because of the diet and because me being very systematic and following, walking, doing all that is bringing a change in me.
So diet के साथ आपने क्या किया? You just started walking.
Walking, yes, walking.
हाँ.
I used to
Every
walk
day?
twice, morning and evening. अब I've come to my mother's place, so only morning I'm doing. Evening का नहीं है.
अच्छा. So how did it feel when you started Speechland? Were you like nervous? Were you excited? Were you skeptical? कैसा feel हो जब आपने
I was skeptical.
initially how it was?
Yeah, skeptical, because for me being on track is the biggest challenge. I live in a joint family. Plus, whatever said and done, there are certain things that you need to follow. Then only you will be able to lose. So, cooking for myself separately, other than whatever is being cooked at home for rest of them, that was a bit challenging because joint family, and I had like 3 functions to attend between these 6 weeks, and I had to travel from Mysore to Chennai to my mom's place also. So all of it came together. I was like, I should have started it earlier itself so that I could have sorted these stuff. But it's okay. What has to happen when it has to happen, it happens only that time. Being having all those challenges, I was still following. I was on track because somewhere I had set my mind, and Rupam was always there for me. I've troubled her a lot. I troubled her big time, I'm telling you.
नहीं
She was
देखिए,
very
at the point,
patient.
if you come to us and ask us question, that is so much better than you अपने आप ही कहीं बीच में give up
हाँ,
कर.
assuming, हाँ, या तो गिव अप कर देना या assume कर लेना कि ठीक है ऐसे कर लेंगे वैसे कर लेंगे.
हाँ.
That's what that we did not. I did not do. I was like I was behind her. Tell me what should I do after this? I'm going out, so tell me what should I do? This is the menu. Tell me what should I do for everything. I kept nagging her. Please, I at a point I had to tell her, please don't get irritated because I'm troubling you so much.
Nice. But see, you इतना सब कुछ challenging होने के बाद भी you still got the result. I mean, hats off to you. कि आपने you kept at it. It's not troubling us. Trust me, it's not troubling us. We want people like you who really want the results and want to make it work, right? क्योंकि शुरू बहुत लोग करते हैं, but to be
Yes,
able to
yes.
go on the journey and finish till 6 weeks,
Yes.
it's a commendable job in itself.
Thank you. I'm telling you, only because of Rupal, because in between, during that Navratri time where I was fasting and I had traveled one whole day I was traveling, and in ours they don't eat salt all the time, they don't eat sweet all the time, so only fruits, and one time I can take salt. So during the travel, she helped me out that what I can eat and what are the other options I can, and I was highly constipated, so she was telling me other tricks. After that only inulin, prebiotic, probiotic, everything came into picture. Then even that did not work initially, literally it did not work. Then she was like, घर के नुस्खे try करेंगे, give yourself a day's break, it's okay, leave off all the diet, eat normal food, be mindful of what you're eating, but eat normal food, probably your system restarts again. So for everything she was there.
Wow, nice.
All the challenges, even before the cooking, I mean, somewhere you need to have that prep. If the meal is prepared already, have it in your head that what you have to eat, then it's easier. Only if you don't find time, and then to fix and make and then eat is very difficult. So preparing it for the week and then eating is much easier. Actually, it allows you to be on track, and it allows you to follow everything much easily. So yeah.
So that is actually the only discipline you need.
Neither did I want to cheat, or I mean, we have our own pizza outlet. So my kids used to go there to eat, and I'm taking people around because I told you, I had 3 functions to attend. There were people visiting us. I'm taking all of them to the store, but I did not eat. I did not feel like eating only. That is a big win for me. That is a very big win for me. That because of this, what I knew I had to eat, and it is already prepared. I have to only reheat it, or एक छोका लगाना है, बस उतना ही करना है. I have to assemble it together. It's much easier. It made my task and everything much easier.
Nice. So, what part of Speechland journey surprised you the most? The food, result, or the support? सबसे ज़्यादा क्या surprise है? Let's say you entered और आप skeptical थे, and then you just joined, and then what was the most surprising thing? Food is surprising me, या support is surprising me, या मेरा weight loss इतनी जल्दी हो रहा है.
Food and support both, because food, वो tummy slim वाला 9 वाला जो था उसमें I felt the quantity is way too much than what we can eat. But you are like eat हो जाएगा, आप bits में खा लो पर इतना तो आपको खाना ही है. She was like that only. Rupam was like, नहीं इतना तो आपको खाने, आप कम नहीं कर सकते हो. आपको लग रहा है कि 3 या 4 टिक्की आपके लिए ज्यादा है तो आप 2-2 इंटरवल में खा लो, पर इतना आपको खाना ही है. So food obviously surprised me that you're making me eat so much and I'm still losing weight. And the support, yes, I'm like I told you, I'm again and again highlighting that Rupam was there. That's why it all happened.
Nice. So was there a moment during the challenge when you realized, wow, I'm actually doing it? मतलब ऐसा था कि चलो अब skeptical वाले moment से निकल गई, चलो अब now ऐसा लग रहा है, oh my god, I'm changing my lifestyle and I'm doing it. That was after 3 weeks only, I would say, because until 3 weeks I had lost only 4 kgs or something, and I got to know people are losing more. I was not upset that I'm not people are doing better than me, no, but why is my body not supporting me? It was my challenge. It was I mean, it was not about competition or anything, but I felt that, though I might not be putting 100%, कभी कभी हो जाता है कि I'm skipping on my walk, I'm not able to do full walking, जितना कर रही हूँ उतना नहीं कर पा रही हूँ because of so many people. वो सब हुआ था, but still it is not like I'm out of my track. एकदम ही मैं बाहर चली गई हूँ and then I'm not finding results. I was doing so much, I'm giving so much of it, and still I'm not able to get the desired result I am expecting. Probably my expectation was higher. That time I was a little skeptical. I wanted to give up. But again, Rupam was the savior. She was like, नहीं आप 2 दिन break दो अपने आप को, फिर you will again restart. You try all these जो घर के नुस्खे और ये और उन्होंने इतना कुछ बता दिया था मुझे, ये सब करो आप, फिर आप 2 दिन detox करो. आपके detox plans are not mentioned in the 6-week का plan. So she gave me separately detox plans कि आप follow this for 2 days so that you can restart everything. So yeah. And you did it all. Yes. Nice. I did it all. It was very, I mean, initially it was very weird when the shake is of banana and spinach, and I was like, banana and spinach, what will happen? क्या होगा? क्या combination? Because I've never heard banana and spinach together. मैंने तो कहीं नहीं सुना था. I was a little skeptical, but again, when I tried, it was good enough that I can have it. It was nothing like I cannot have it or it is too challenging for me to have. No. Nice. So you've inspired so many people. What would you say to someone who's stuck or scared to start? Scared, I think till date also I'm scared. So that scared part will always be there. But if you are if you are wanting to do it, just give it a try. Take one day each time, and it will happen. Things together, too much planning if you do, then it's not going to happen. One day at a time, slowly you take it, and it'll really happen. It'll work. You'll have to believe in the fact that it'll work. Then only it comes the dedication. Then comes the food. Everything comes later. First, you'll have to believe that it'll happen. If you put the effort, the results are going to come. That belief should be there. Good. What is one thing you discovered about yourself during these 6 weeks that you did not know before? Maybe about yourself, maybe about the food, anything. That I dedicated that my 6 weeks is over. I'm still on the diet. I'm at my mother's place. To be very frank, in a year you come only once. So there are so many cravings that you want the city you want to explore your city, you want to eat mama ka food, everything. But I'm still on my diet. I'm still walking and I'm still doing. So that itself is unbelievable for me. After having 2 kids, I had lost I had lost everything. The willpower, the patience, I had lost everything. So that itself is very difficult for me to accept that, okay, I'm still doing it and I'm still there. And I'm sure your happiness is radiating so much. It's going to transfer to the kids. Because बच्चे ना, they pick up on the energy. And I will tell you myself that when that exterior जो होता है ना आपका, that heaviness on your body, that weight gain, and because I've done it myself ना, तो I know it translates into anger. और वो translate होता है, कहीं ना कहीं translate होता है. And people around you also, how much ever they might not be wanting to be negative,
but there might be things that you are taking negative. You're only wanting to take the negative energy, that nahi, they meant this only, nahi, everybody is commenting and judging me for the way I'm looking. For all that, people might not be having that intention at all, but it's all cooked up in your head, that this is why this is happening, and this is why this is, you start blaming yourself, and then you are always irritated, stressed, and always showing it on my kids. I mean, yes, I'm out of that now. I'm much more at peace and a little clarity of what I can do and what I am capable of doing. So, all thanks to you guys.
So all thanks to you. All you should really be proud of yourself that you did it. And आपके interview से there's so many people who are going to get inspired, because as moms, though, you actually forget yourself, because happily you would take up all the responsibility and have kids and everything, but कहीं ना कहीं आप खो जाते हो सब में. So when you find yourself also, it just, everything around you also gets better. Everything around you blooms. Everything around you, you want to show up as a better person for your kids and want to do more things, क्योंकि आप में वो energy वगैरह सब कुछ आ जाती है. You want that happiness to be there around you, but you have to take care of yourself first. वो part भूल ही जाती है mom. So it's nice that you are finally realizing it, that you took up the step, and I'm sure it's going to inspire so many moms out there.
All because of you. You start searching everywhere for weight loss and other ways how you can do this. That's where the Instagram kept popping up your ads and everything. And every time I used to see and I used to give up. Nahi, mujhse nahi hoga ye. Mujhse, I will not be able to do it. Nahi. I always used to deny the fact. And then one day I was discussing it with my husband, and he was like, try and see. Before trying, why do you want to give it up? Try and see. Kya pata, you find the right place. You've been searching it all over, and might be this is what is going to help you out. Try it once. So that's why I took that plunge, and I was like, okay, let's do it this time and see.
I'm glad you took the plunge.
I think I will take it after this month. After I'm done with my mama's place, I will come back to Speed Slim.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask that is it it'll happen even after I'm losing this, I've lost this weight, and again if I'm going to take the challenge, is it going to help me the same way?
Yeah. अभी तो आपकी लंबी journey है. What is your height?
I'm 5'2".
हाँ, so अभी तो you can reach even below 60. So अभी तो your body is going to take up. ऐसा हो सकता है कि बीच में weight loss flat हुआ है, but that's natural part of the weight loss journey. That is the time when you actually don't give up. But knowing you, I don't think you're going to give up. Just call up Rupam. She's going to guide you. She's going to keep you on track. Just reach at least अपना एक goal बना लीजिए कि maybe 58, 59, 60. वहाँ तक तो आप आराम से पहुँच जाओगे with your height and everything. बिल्कुल मतलब सोचना भी नहीं है कि नहीं होगा, आराम से होगा.
Is it? Okay. The life में आदमी में 58 कभी आई हो?
आप आएंगे, you will see, and probably we'll talk again when you reach there.
Yes. Hopefully.
Yes. I have one last question for you. If you have to describe your Speed Slim journey in 3 words, what would that be?
Dedication, support, and precision.
Ah, nice. I like that. Perfect. I agree to that. Do you have anything to ask me?
So you still follow all the diets that you give us?
Mm-hmm.
That's the life you live?
Yeah. So how I do is I don't probably follow one full plan. So I just mix and match. Also, क्या है ना, मेरा lifestyle बन गया है. Okay. It's not. I don't. वो जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, वो मेरे को ऐसी कोई craving नहीं होती कि मेरे को जाके बहुत junk खाना है and everything. I crave for these foods. I want my body to be nourished and everything. और मुझे fit रहना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So I've been on that side where I was overweight, and I'm on the side where I'm like fit. I like this part more. Okay. So I stay pretty consistent with my walk. मैं yoga भी करती हूँ, and I eat from my diet plans. मतलब वो that is my life. Oh, that is like my क्या बोलते हैं वो lifeline की तरह हो मेरी. So maybe not as strictly as somebody when I was doing my weight loss journey, but I will mix and match. वो आपके लिए भी true होगा. When you would reach your goal weight, no, you अपने आप ही, because you've done that long journey, ना अपने आप you would cook those meals. You will mix and match. वो आपकी life का part बन जाएगा, and you would probably forget that previous version of you. So कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक identity भी बनानी पड़ती है अपनी, where you identify as a fit person. Like when we start a weight loss journey ना, हमारी एक identity होती है कि we are let's say मेरे को था कि I'm this overweight person, but I want to be the fit person. So वो जब आप, then you have to start thinking like, if I am a fit person, what would I do? Would I go for a walk or not? Yes or no? Would I eat healthy from my sweets and diet plans? Yes or no? So the answer would be, so then you would have to be stuck with it कि मेरे को, you know, this version of me is what I like more, and if it takes a little bit of effort from me, I'm going to give it. Yeah. Always from sweets and diet plans. मैं भूल गई हूँ मैं पहले कैसे खाती थी.
अभी आपने you mentioned that I can easily come to 58, 60.
आराम से.
In another how many months, if I'm going to have the same kind of thing, how many months does it?
So 8 to 10 kgs 6 weeks में हो जाता है आपका, right? तो around let's say आपको तो इतना ज़्यादा function भी था, तो let's say आपने 7 kgs lose करा.
हाँ.
So कितना weight loss करना है हमें अभी? हम 76 पे अभी, right? 16 kg weight loss करना.
हाँ.
Around 2-3 months. 3 months तो लगेंगे.
3 months में हो जाएगा?
3 months में हो जाएगा.
सच में?
Seriously हो जाएगा. आप लगे रहिए, I'm telling you, I myself lost, जबकि मेरा weight loss slow था because I was doing after postpartum, right? I lost 17 kgs in 3 months. 17 months. और मुझसे ज़्यादा weight loss करा था लोगों ने. Because I was just getting over my breastfeeding journey and postpartum. The hormones, you know, they take time to balance it out. So I lost 70 kgs and you can also do it.
Okay.
Just don't give up. You will do it.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. It was absolutely lovely talking to you, Bhavna. You were such a pleasure and such...
Initially, I couldn't believe that I'm really talking to you. So you've been an inspiration to so many of them. You have guided so many of them. So it was talking to you, looking at you live. You're very beautiful. Let me tell you that.
Thank you so much. It was really nice, and just don't give up, and you always have us for anything you need.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Take care of yourself. Bye.
Chalo. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.